Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to export selected clip in CapCut on PC and Mac updated easy guide. So as you can see, we're currently on to CapCut PC already in here, and I've added a clip already here onto my timeline. So for example, I want to go ahead and select a specific clip or part of the clip in here that I want to export. So if you've noticed the duration, this is around 2 seconds. So if I want to go ahead and try to just get a specific part like around here, we're gonna go ahead and use the shortcut keys I and O for that. So we're gonna click the clip, and to remove this part in here or the left part, we're gonna click onto I, and to do the same thing for the right side, we're gonna click the O. So as you can see, we have selected out a certain point in here. Now, since this one is a 2 seconds video, if you go ahead and export that, you should be able to notice that the duration is 1 second already. So you'll just have to click onto export, and this specific part of the clip is already exported. And that is just basically it. How to export selected clip in CapCut on PC and Mac. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.